Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to learn how to draw something super fun and easy, a ladder.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the sides of our ladder. Draw a long vertical line. Then, draw another one parallel to it. These are the two bars that hold the ladder together. Now, let's add the steps. Start at the top and draw a horizontal line connecting the two vertical bars. Then, keep going, add 4 more steps below. Wow, look at that! We've finished our ladder. Let's make our drawing stand out. Trace over the lines to make them bold and sharp. Look! Our ladder is dancing now.
Ha-ha! Yay!
It's time to color our ladder with rainbow colors. Here we go. Red color for the top step.
La 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 la.
Orange color for the second step.
Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color for the third step. Green color for the fourth step.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color for the fifth step. And finally, use purple color for the sidebars. Great job, friends! Look at our colorful ladder. It's amazing. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing adventures. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.